So I've been trying to capture myself in a completely natural situation. I've had this on record and pause for 2 days now. This is the second day. So yesterday I decided to go on a complete drought in the time that I had available. I've got some time now, so I'll leave this open, and if anything happens I'll just record on top of this. So let's hope for the best, and that way you can see what it's like if you were hanging out with me and I went rogue on you. Okay, I think we could be onto something here. Hold on. I did say that a few times yesterday though. Yes! I knew I could get one. There's definitely more coming. Excuse me. There's never just two. There's the just three though, sometimes. Oh dear, excuse me. Imagine having me as a friend. This is 2 days worth, to be fair. Any more? Any more for any more? Okay, that's enough now. That could be it. Not bad for a bit more boring than an allergy one or an illness one. Hang on. But it is what it is. And I hope you enjoyed that. Cheers. Thanks.